Hi everyone, so it's just Tania here with your Whittlesey and surrounding areas property news update. So first of all, we're going to look at what's been going on and then we're going to look at the numbers across all agents of properties instructed and sold. So over the past week, we can see that the market has continued to move steadily as we head further into the year. Across the UK, house prices remain broadly stable with modest annual growth of around 1 to 2%. At the same time, the number of homes coming onto the market has increased compared with this time last year. So what that actually means is that buyers currently have more choice and the market is operating in a much more balanced way. We can then see that sales activity is still strong, with thousands of homes continuing to be agreed across the country each week. Locally, we're still seeing buyers actively looking and making offers when properties are priced correctly and well presented. So if we take a look specifically at the local Whittlesey market this week, there were 20 new properties launched across all agents. If we break that down by property type, we can see that there were 10 detached houses. 6 of those were semi-detached homes, 3 bungalows, 1 land opportunity. So looking at all of that, we can see that the detached homes made up around half of the new listings this week, which shows a good number of larger family homes coming onto the market locally. We can also see that the sales agreed, there were 15 properties that went under offer across the local market this week. If we break that down by price bands, we can see that 1 of those properties sold under £200,000. 3 properties sold between £200,000 and £250,000. There were 4 properties sold between £250,000 and £300,000. 3 properties sold between £300,000 and £400,000, and then 4 properties sold above £400,000. So really that means that the £250,000 to £300,000 bracket was the most active part of this week, which continues to be the core family market locally. It's also encouraging to see 4 sales above £400,000, showing that demand for larger detached homes remains strong. Of course, we've got to mention, you may also have seen on the news this week regarding international events and conflict overseas. Financial markets did react to that, which caused some short-term movement in mortgage pricing. However, the key point is that the housing market itself has remained steady and buyers are continuing to move forward with their plans. Mortgage rates are still lower than they were this time last year, and many buyers have now adjusted to the current rate environment. So despite wider global events, the property market has remained resilient and transactions are continuing to progress. Overall, the key message this week is that the property market remains steady and realistically priced homes are continuing to attract interest, something that we've been saying for a while now. If you're thinking of moving and would like an up-to-date valuation or simply want to understand what's happening in the market locally, then feel free to get in touch. So for now, as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next property market update and have a good week. So take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye.